Hey, welcome to Auntie's Cakery. Did you know I sell fake cakes on my Etsy shop? Well, I do, and this is one that I made for a customer, and I figured I might as well take you along on my journey. I have that foam cake here, and I'm using royal icing. Royal icing dries hard, so it will outlast time. Smooth out that layer of icing. And then I'm going to take my little angled spatula, and one row at a time, I'm making little horizontal stripes. The object here is to make this fake cake look like a real buttercream cake, just a little more white. If you'd like to know how to make this royal icing, I do have a video for you. Just check the description box, I'll have a link there for you. When I take it off, I put it on a piece of wax paper so it can dry flat. I just did the 6-inch tier, and now I'm working on the 10-inch tier. Again, it's going to be rough iced with horizontal designs. When I first started selling fake cakes on my Etsy shop, I wasn't sure they'd do so well, but I have sold so many. It's a great option for those who want a really detailed cake, but not all the cake. You know what I mean? Sometimes a 3-tail cake has a lot of cake in it. So if you're interested in getting a cake made from me that I can ship right to you, go ahead and contact me. I'd love to make one for you. You may have seen me use this little icing corner before. I made it myself out of a Mylar folder. I have a video if you'd like to learn how to do that yourself. Now on the 8-inch tier, I'm doing something slightly different. I'm going to get it as smooth as I possibly can. And after I've done those 3 tiers, I am going to let it dry overnight before I do this next step. So the next day I have more royal icing, and this time it is really thick. This beautiful flower design I cut out on my Cricut machine. I love my Cricut machine. It's like a little stencil that I made for myself. I'll spread that thick icing on top of the stencil. And then I'm going to smooth it out as best I can. Once that's mostly smooth, it's time to take off the stencil. Oh, look at that design, it's so good. And I'll do that around the rest of the cake also. Then I'm going to let it dry for one more day before I start stacking. To stack it up, I just put a little royal icing on there and stick the cakes together. Kind of acts as a glue. And when the customer gets this, they can put on any flowers they want. But for the sake of this video, I just have some silk flowers, sticking them on in little teeny arrangements. There you have it, so easy. If you want one of my fake decorated cakes, go ahead and click the link in the description. It will send you to my Etsy shop. Thanks for watching. Bye.